my dear students, how are you? Today I've come up with a very interesting experiment for you. The egg in the bottle. For this experiment, you're going to need a glass bottle and a hard-boiled egg. Now let us try to put this egg in the glass bottle. Is it going inside the bottle? No. So now what are we going to do is we are going to burn some paper and put it inside this and see whether the egg goes inside the bottle or not. So now take some pieces of paper and burn it. Now keep the egg on the bottle and let's observe what happens. Now you can see that the egg has been gone inside the bottle. Now why did this happen? When we burned the paper, the air inside the glass expanded and escaped out of the bottle. And when the paper got burnt off, the air cooled down and the air contracted, which created a low pressure inside the bottle, and there was a high pressure outside the bottle, and because of that the egg got pushed inside the bottle. I hope you understood the concept of air pressure. Thank you so much.